Take a ride in the 2025 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear-view mirror, brake assist, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.